Assalamu alaikum. This is Mudassir, and today I want to share a great opportunity with you. But before I share this opportunity, I want to go over a few scenarios that a Muslim goes through. So, as a Muslim, the number one important thing for us, all of us, is to attain Jannah. To attain Jannah, we do some fara'id, then we do some nawafil. Brothers and sisters volunteer. They teach in Sunday school, they do sadaqah, they do charity, but then life happens, right? Then you have to have job, you have to work hard to make money, to pay your bills, to survive. Then all that free time to volunteer and to give charity and sadaqah and teaching slowly starts going away. So other scenario is the brothers and sisters have really good job, but then the money starts coming in and now they're not happy with their job. They feel that they're not fulfilled and they're not contributing to the society. So they get unhappy and they start looking for other ways to have meaning to their life. Another scenario is where brothers and sisters end up in a job to make money where it's not 100% halal. So they don't feel comfortable. They probably get depressed that they're in a situation every single day where they're not comfortable and it's not Islamic. So how can we resolve these problems? So I have an opportunity for you which can resolve all these problems. Through this opportunity, you not only you can earn money, you can attain Jannah as well, inshallah. With this opportunity, you're able to revive a forgotten sunnah of divinely revealed therapy. The Prophet ﷺ said, when you revive a sunnah, you will get the same ajr as the person acting upon it without your reward diminishing. And the hadith goes on. So you will be leaving sadaqah jariyah that will help you attain Jannah even after you're dead, inshallah. Through this opportunity, you will also be able to help people get healthy. And there are many hadiths about that as well. One of the hadiths says that the best among you are the one who remove others' hardships and burdens. And you will be able to do that with this opportunity. Imagine someone, a mother who is unwell and sick, and she is not able to take care of her family, her kids, her husband. And by removing her health problem, you will be able to give her the opportunity to take care of her family and live her life. Also, what about a brother who's not able to provide for his family because he is ill or sick? So through this opportunity, you will be able to help these people. You will also be able to bring Islam in a positive light to non-Muslims, and it can be source of your dawah. And I'm looking forward to helping you change your life, inshallah.